Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to make a lamp, tile top lamp with some cloth wrapped around it. Just an accent lamp. It's something I'm throwing together. Okay, we have the cotton to wrap around it. Bought some LED lights to go underneath the tile. I bought a tile. So I originally built the box first, and then I couldn't find the tile the same, so then I had to build the box to the tile. So buy the tile first. Then I built the box. Let's have a look at the box. You guys don't need me to show you how to build a box. There, mine's 32 inches high, 2 feet long, 1 foot wide. Make it however you want. We're going to wrap the cloth all around it. So like this. And then we're going to put the tile on the top. So what I did, you see this edge is doubled. So we'll start here, we'll wrap the cloth all around it, and then we'll screw it in from the inside, and that'll tighten up the cloth. Alright, let's get at it. Okay, all ironed. Now I have to order the neighbors. Alright. Here we go. Just where your mouth comes in. It's 32, 38 material. 6. Yeah, I told you I was doing this. Okay, so it's going to sit on there like that. Okay, I'm going to squeeze here like this to hold the, I'm not going to guess. Just to hold the, while we have some glue. Okay. Feels like it's on there. Okay, now we'll just let that dry overnight. Put the lights in tomorrow. Okay, the tile's in there. I'm just taping all these lights in there. You can't see it, but I'll be there. You see the light strapped around the bottom there? Found a little transformer. I'll staple it up. Let's plug it in to see how it works. Yeah, I would say. Okay. There. How cool is that? Well, if you like today's project, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment that's helpful for others. Later.